So I bought some of this Smothers Back to Black. It's like a plastic restorer. Just take like plastic that's been sun bleached and stuff and turns it back black. That stuff works. The side molding. It's dark again. And the mud flaps. You can tell because this is what they look like over here. See how faded they are? How faded the hair is. Bottom skirts just faded. We'll go back over here. Yeah, this stuff works. I don't know how long this stuff will stay on there, but the car looks good. I was really surprised at how well it worked. So I'm going to do the other side and we'll see. I'll have to do a little test, see how long it works, but so far, thumbs up, yes, it looks good. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace.